Hi guys, how you doing? It's nearly 7 o'clock on Bonfire night and I'm taking Max out for a walk in day dark. There's a VT building over there with the smoke coming out. I'm indeed on my own. I can hear the fireworks going off. I think I did this last year. Some nice fireworks going off over there. Pretty ones. Doesn't bother Max because I'm keeping calm myself. Before I came out, I was listening to Jeremy Kyle on YouTube. He was talking about Camilla having a chest infection. I've got my beanie hat on this time because I want to keep my head warm. It's a bit chilly this evening. Feels like I'm walking into a war zone. That's what it felt like that last year. We've got the cathedral bells ringing. There's a cathedral lit up over there and the spire is silver. I can smell smoke. Well, you will do, there's loads of fireworks going off. Smell smoke. Right. I know you can't see very much, but I'm sure you can hear the fireworks going off. It's pretty, isn't it? Fireworks going off as we're walking. So, you've got very pretty. There's a train coming into the station. Castle in red. Just taking it slowly. I want to get some exercise and since the clocks have gone back I just seem to have a load more time. I feel like I've got a load more time, so I thought, right, let's go for a walk. Nice one. I used to go to the firework display at Gillingham Lions Heritage Park in Gillingham. I don't know if they still do that. It's quite far away though now. Can you hear all the fireworks in that sound? Echoey sound. Probably would have gone to a display if I expect there'd be fireworks this weekend coming anyway. So there you are, there's the cathedral and the spire. There's the castle lit up in red. So buildings are lit up so I can see. I've got my torch, though it's not very bright. And there's Max. Hello. Long train. So it's well lit up down the bottom and the boat's up the top, lighting up the top end. This is where I walk in the mornings and afternoons. Max is happy. That is the Strood Bridge over there. So those fireworks. There's the train. Do you see what I mean? How it feels like you're in a war zone. There's a train going past and there's all the fireworks going off while it's all the smoke. Let's carry on. Loads of fireworks going off. Got my hat on covering my ears. My ears are covered. He's not the slightest bit bothered. I think I'm more bothered than he is. You can see the cathedral, the train has stopped. Signal. I just don't want to hang around in the dark, me. But I wanted to show you some of the fireworks and the trains, etc. Some more. It's the sound of the train. That's a boat lit up at the top. It's all lit up. It's lights on. My torch has died on me. can see though. Whoop, that was a big one. Big bang. It must be horrific for people that suffer from ADHD or something really badly. I mean, that made me jump. And I wanted to go this way because it's all lit up. If it wasn't lit up, I wouldn't have come on here. And to be honest, I don't like going the other way. People hanging around in the children's play area and stuff like that. I prefer to come this way. When I was a kid, my dad used to buy a box of fireworks and let them off in the garden. And I used to be absolutely terrified and hide. And I remember the Catherine wheels whizzing. He tied it to the bottom of the gate, at the bottom of the garden. And they whizzed around and round and round, and they used to fly off the Catherine wheels and the bangers. And my favourite was always the rockets. The rockets. So these are the boats they're lit up. The Scotland boat is all lit up this evening. So we've got 2 boats lighting the way for me. The thing I suppose is I've got used to the area and I know where I'm going. You know, when you move you've got to get used to somewhere else. Got myself out, now I've got to go back. I've got to get back. That's a nice one. Some nice ones going off there. That. Some nice ones going off. It's green. Stand still a minute. Max ain't worried at all. I'll start to get lightheaded in a minute because of the smells, the smoke. Just taking it slowly. See the Scots flag on that boat. Well, a long time ago someone said to me, you've got to face your fears. I think I do every day. Some going off over there. Well, I don't know how expensive fireworks are this year, but they must be going up in price along with everything else. And there was this amazing thing I heard on TikTok. I can't believe that some supermarkets are restricting what people are buying. Well, he said that he went to get tuna, and they restricted the amount of tuna tins he was buying. So what is going on? Supermarkets, some supermarkets are restricting the amount of products you're buying in the store. What's going on? Red firework in the sky over there, look. It's coming down by the castle. Yeah, it's a worry, isn't it, when supermarkets are restricting what people are buying. I can understand medication, but tuna? All I want to do is go home now. The noise and the smell of the smoke. And it is chilly this evening, my hands are cold. Sounds like a car alarm going off over there. There's a nice blue and red one there. Let's go back down here. Can see as well. Let's go down this way. We can actually get a good view. You can get a good view there. There's a couple of people at the top of the path there. Slowly going back. I'm not going near people, I'm not being funny, but not in the dark. Nearly back. Paths over here. I'm not going near people, not after that. Those kids were coming around me and Max with bikes. I'm lucky, for my age, I'm fast on my feet. Probably just a couple staring at the fireworks, but I don't know that, do I? I thought that guy that was talking to me on the field was a genuine bloke, and he wasn't. Right guys, so we're walking off the field. There's lights over there, the co-op's over there, so we've had a walk 20 minutes on the field. Max has been as good as gold, and I've actually enjoyed the walk, so I know my instincts. So if I think something's off, something's wrong, I know I've got no feelings of that so far. So let's go home. I know he's only tiny, but even a little dog needs exercise, and that'll help him sleep. It'll help me sleep. So we're walking down the road, the path. The spire is behind Costa. That's Costa Coffee over there. There's a co-op lit up in blue, the blue logo of the co-op. I think most people are probably indoors in the warm. My fingers are cold holding this phone. Welcome to the wharf. Someone's got their Christmas tree up already. I'm going to put mine up soon. Ish. Right. So we're feeling a bit the smell. Right, it's not been too bad, has it? There he is down there. Show you him. It's just, you know what it's like. The battery comes on, it charges up a bit, but not enough to light up a long time. Right guys, I'm going to go now, and I'll see you all later.